Today I'm going to do some much needed bush hogging around the farm. I've been a little slack on the bush hogging this year. Just been so doggone busy. It's been a very busy year. I think this is the second or third time I've had time to mow this back here. It's just a little spot in between the ponds, and really isn't good for nothing other than keeping it mowed and keeping it looking decent. But it just takes about an hour to mow this little area. A couple hours if I really mow around the pond, just to kind of keep everything under control. This all used to be woods, and when I bought that link belt, I thinned it all out because I like being able to see through it, which in return caused a lot of grass and weeds to grow. A little more than I actually thought would. I mean, I know it's pretty thin in here, but all in the woods over there, I was hoping that it would have kind of choked it out. Especially like the pine trees up here. I figured that it would have had enough coverage and not enough sunlight that it would have choked all the weeds out, but I got a good stand of grass in there, so I may this fall spray it before the pine straw starts falling and see if that kind of, you know, having the grass dead and then the pine straw falls on it, see if that'll kind of choke it out. I don't know. It looks really good when it's mowed, but it does take a lot of time to go up in there and bush hog all that without tearing the tractor up. It is doable, but that gets done about twice a year, and it's ready for its second time. Actually 3 times. If I go ahead and mow it now, it'll come back up, and then about fall, once it gets cold, you know, everything starts dying, I'll go in there and I'll mow it down to about this level right here, and I'll have a good, you know, all winter long till about March when stuff starts growing back, where I won't have to mess with it. But I do enjoy this tractor. I've got 164.8 hours on it. That was the best thing I ever did, was buy a tractor with a cab on it. I can sit in here with the air conditioning blowing and the radio going. It does make life a lot easier. I've gone from, it's funny, I've gone from only putting about 75 to 80 hours on the other tractor a year to I've had this one less than a year and I've already got 164 on it. But it does get used for a lot more just because I have the loader on it with the forks. Those are by far the most, the best asset I guess you could have on a farm, is a set of pallet forks to run around and just pick stuff up. You don't realize how handy it is until you've never had one, and then you end up getting a set. So I just leave them on here. It makes it a little awkward trying to bush hog in the woods, but you might need it to pick up something. You can push branches out of the way. If there's some crap in the way, you can pick it up. All in all, I've been pretty pleased. It's a 50, yeah, it's 50 horsepower. It is the hydrostatic. I tried to get everything. It just makes life a lot easier just being able to push a pedal and go backwards. You do lose a little power, but the convenience is well worth it, I think. But yeah, just getting all this mowed down. As you can tell, it's about 3 feet high. Running through here and getting it knocked down. I went up there and washed the windows off. They were so doggone dirty you couldn't hardly see out, I don't think. Not too good on camera, at least. When I'm hoping as these trees get bigger, they'll start shading it out and it won't grow up so bad. I don't know. I got good intentions, but we'll see. Before it was so thick you couldn't even walk through there, so what I've done is just helped a lot. I completely missed that turn. Like a couple more passes and I won't mow around the pond today, but I wanted to get all this mowed just so it looks a little better. Get everything under control, and maybe tomorrow I'll run up in there and get some of that mowed down. And that way it's all kind of at the same level. Then this fall, right before winter, I can go in here and mow it down one more time. That'll be set. I can go ahead and take up my irrigation pump and line. I think I'm good on irrigating. I already took all the sprinklers up. We went for no rain for quite a while, and then all of a sudden it's rained every day for like the last 4 weeks. I think we've gotten 14 inches of rain, and all this grass has just been like, let's grow 3 feet a day. I swear it does. It does grow fast. Yes, it does. Alright, well, I'm going to cut this off for a minute, finish mowing that. I want to get the motor grader. I got to start it up and get out of the way. I need to, it's starting to get pretty overgrown where it's sitting. It's been sitting there for quite a while. I want to bush hog where it's at and call it a day. I've about had enough fun for a Saturday. I hope you enjoyed the new view here. Hopefully it turned out well. I'm trying a new camera setup, and hopefully if it turns out good, I'll use it more in the working world. I think with the new camera here, it's smart enough where it can kind of catch up with my head movements and everything, and allows me not to have to hold a camera. So I'll see how it turns out here. So let's go over here, and I gotta move the grader out of the way. I'm actually just gonna stick it back under the shelter. The last time I moved it out, I gotta get the welder to come. Spiderweb's been here, sitting here for a while. The damn lever broke. See where it broke? Right down in there. I gotta get that welded back. That controls the rollback function and the blade slide in and out. It doesn't get used very much. I thought it was going to a job, so I pulled it out so it could get loaded. Oh, how are my tires? Good enough. Anyway, as you can tell, it's getting overgrown. I hope there's no snakes in it. We all know how I love snakes. The grader still does not start via the key. As you can tell, it's been sitting here a while. How's that tire? I can't even tell. Oh my gracious. Hope there's no snake up in here. Let's check the oil on it. Oil is good enough to move it. You still got to start it via the solenoid. It is nice that the power switch is right here. Nobody can figure out how to fix this, but that works. The little low grader. You little low grader. Oh, we don't need that lever. Make sure that's up. All right. I can't see the tires. And back one's a little low. may rest till whenever, sweet girl. Now I can finish cleaning all this crap up and getting it mowed down.